This is how you can export and import emails in Hostinger. So step one is you're going to log into your Hostinger, and then from here you're going to click on emails, and then from the email section we're just going to click on mailboxes for us to open the webmail. Now here you will see this webmail button right beside your business email. We're going to click on that. And then from here, it will open your inbox. Now, from here, we're just going to select the email that or the message that we want to export or import. So from here, I'm just going to select this one since this is the only available email that I have. And then from here, we're going to click on more. So everything that you need to import or export are already here. So for example, if you want to export this email, you can do so by clicking on download. And then from here, you can export it as source or .eml. You can also do mbox format such as .zip and then mail dir format as well. So it really depends on the kind of message that you're receiving for these to be available. Next, if you want to import emails, you're going to go to the folder where you want them, or you can also just select a message where you want them, and then you're going to hit on more. And then from here, you can see this import button just below this print this message. Just click on that. And then from here, you can choose your files. You can just browse your file manager, and then you can select the email that you want to import right here. Just make sure that your files are in MIME or MBOX format in order for you to import this. Now, once you have your file available right here, you can just click on import and that's it. That is how you can export and import emails in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.